Good morning. Day 5 of Quarantine Hotel. A little bit groundhoggy, but just want to share a little something. It's got to be like 6 o'clock in the morning. What time is it? Yeah, it's exactly 6 a.m. I'm asleep. And I hear this knock at the door. And I'm thinking, breakfast isn't usually till a bit later. So I go to my door and there's a piece of paper. Now, I don't want to think that they have knocked on my door at 6 a.m. to leave me a feedback form. Feedback form. I mean, like, no. No. You're not going to leave me. You're not going to knock on the door at 6 a.m. with a feedback form and expect me to be like, oh my God, like, this place is amazing. They wake you up at 6 a.m. The food is cold. They didn't do that. I must be dreaming, because you wouldn't do that. You wouldn't do that and think that you'd get, like, amazing feedback, right? They didn't do that. I'm not going to give them feedback based on that, because I must have been dreaming. Am I dreaming? It's fucking 6 a.m. and I'm awake.